Hello, this is Josh Haig of Essential Robot Products, coming from Automate 2023. And now I want to show off a little bit of AMGS, or Advanced Machine Guarding Solutions, and a few things that set us apart. So, one, freestanding and configuration door assemblies, pre-assembled with all the little bits and pieces there. That can include the Fortress interlocks, push button stations with already wired, coming out to a grommet so you can plug and play to your safety system. Other areas we set ourselves apart are going to be the way we fasten. So these simply fasten using one screw, or one tool. It's going to step off so one person can do the assembly. This will hook in place, swing up in place, drop down to lock in, and again, backing one screw out, then locks it all together, so assembly's done. You can save up to 80% of the assembly time on the shop floor. And on top of that, because we can integrate the interlocks, light curtains, and other safety functions into the safety system, we can save engineering and the rest of the supply chain a lot of time as well.